Hi everyone, my name is Shir from Bancor, and in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to buy or sell tokens on the Bancor Network using your ERC20 supported wallet. First go to Bancor.network and select the token you would like to convert. Click on either buy or sell and the widget window will open. If you have not yet logged into your MetaMask account, click on the MetaMask icon in the top right of the browser and unlock your account. Enter the amount of tokens you would like to convert. You can quickly change to another token by using the drop-down menu. You have the option to open the advanced settings and limit the transaction to a specific price. Bear in mind that if the price changes and exceeds your limit, the transaction will not take place, but gas fee will be charged. Once your transaction is ready to execute, click on the Buy or Sell button and proceed to the next screen. In this step, you will review the gas fees for your transaction. To help avoid transactions failing due to insufficient gas, we have added a bit of a buffer. Then click Proceed to continue. The MetaMask widget will now open so that you can confirm your transaction. Click Submit to complete the process. Congrats! Your transaction was sent to the Ethereum blockchain and is being processed. Click View your transaction on Etherscan to see its status. This may take some time to update, depending on Ethereum network traffic. Once the transaction has been confirmed, you will be able to view your tokens. Open your MetaMask wallet by clicking on the MetaMask icon at the top right side of your browser. Click the three dots. Select View Account on Etherscan. This will open your wallet on Etherscan in a new tab. Click on View Tokens. Here you will be able to see all your tokens that are in your wallet. Select the new token you would like to add. Copy the token contract address and click again on the MetaMask icon. Click on the Tokens tab, then click Add Token. Enter the token's contract address, which you have copied from Etherscan, and then click Add. That's it! Now you will always see this token's balance in your wallet under the Tokens tab.